my god.
Let's get the energy back.
Energy, guys. Are you ready to create something magical? Guys, I want to see the magic we've created. Hello.
Hi.
Are you ready to create something magical?
Cannot wait anymore.
I'm Pankti.
I'm Apurva.
Okay, are you from Bombay?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Near, around Bombay.
So where exactly are you?
Thane.
Never mind, guys. Hardo. Okay, it's seashells.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we need to first scan it.
Yeah. And then we have to create something with shells.
Have you done these before?
No, this is my first time trying it.
Like this one in specific?
No. In general, yeah, first time.
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun.
Hey Kitsters, let's make these beautiful partial. These are the items you can shell and start applying a thick layer of Mod Podge glue.
Can you pani puri in this?
We have to
But first, I think. Acha.
No. We have to
Put that one little bit.
one layer of this and that
Then
shell,
huh.
and then put the tissue paper.
Have you always liked art?
Yeah, I really enjoy doing art. I do stuff at home also, so I can crochet.
Oh.
Yeah, I really love crocheting. What about you?
I love drawing and painting.
I suck at drawing.
Yeah, I suck at it too. That's why I like it.
I can't even doodle. Like, just cannot get it right.
I scribble.
Oh.
And then I'm like, oh, it's abstract art. But I've done a lot of these Kitster kits.
Oh, I haven't.
I think we're going on the right track.
Yeah.
I like how our scissors are matching our
Color theme.
color.
I'm done.
Dude, you're going very fast. I think you should take that one so it matches your set.
Like, we do a set of 2.
I mean, they're all together only, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Looks pretty, right?
Very neat.
No, not at all neat. I'm trying to make it neat.
You do crochet, you have a lot of patience.
Very much. Like, I have to sit to complete one article for like, I've made one thing over a month.
Just gonna be all like, hey guys, see what we're making. So you travel every day from Thane?
Yeah.
Oh my god, inhuman reactions!
Struggle is real.
But it's still better. I'm sure you reach faster than people coming from Andheri or Bandra.
If you are a Disney movie, which one would you be?
Next question.
Why?
I don't watch Disney movies. Can I just say I'm Geet from Jab We Met?
Oh.
Because I'm my favorite too, guys. So, I mean. And what about you if you were a movie character?
Inside Out. Definitely.
Would you be the blue hair chick?
What's your go-to fake excuse to leave a boring event?
I have to sleep. I have to catch a flight in the
I
morning.
have to go home. My mom is calling. What's the first thing you search for when you stalk someone online?
Do they have a beard?
No, stalk. Search, like, search.
No, I was joking.
Do they have a beard?
redo. Let's start again.
Instagram. Like, search their
Achha,
name.
where you search them?
Huh.
I am Instagram only. Then I go to LinkedIn. Are they more credible? Yeah. What do they do? Or like who are they friends with? Like,
Yeah, who are they friends with?
It's like,
Yeah,
where do I know this
mutuals is
person?
more important. What's the first holiday or a trip that felt truly special? Oh.
I was traveling alone and I was like, oh, Ja Simran, Ji Le Zindagi.
My parents though don't let me go on a
I'll talk
solo
to them.
trip.
I'll talk to them.
Please. So I just graduated. So college trips were the best ones. Like,
What did you do?
go to Goa.
No,
College
what
trip.
did you do when you went to Goa?
We did a lot of stuff.
This Gen Z, no.
Not spilling tea.
Tea and all they're saying now.
What's a phrase you'd say way too often, even you're tired of it?
That's correct. I just say that's correct.
I to say whatever, let's move on. If you had a warning label, what would it say?
Yeah, I don't know.
Mine would be handled with care.
Wow.
Yeah, like,
देखो मगर प्यार से guys.
sure. But what do you think yours is?
My label is Don't go on looks. I might look cute, but I can beat people up.
Got it.
Yeah. What's a weird food combo you swear by?
I really like to eat fries with a softie.
With
Like the ice cream.
हाँ ठीक है. I think I've
it
heard
tastes really
this.
good.
Fair.
It tastes like sweet and salty. Like it balances that. You
I've
should
never
try.
tried it.
You should.
Thank you.
You have to go home today. You have to take bread, put butter, put mayonnaise, and put aloo bhujia, and then close the sandwich, and then
It's
eat
not
it.
weird. It might
It's
taste
fabulous. And even amras and white rice. People
good. I don't
feel
like amras. I'm not a mango person.
this Thane people know. Problematic.
Guilty. Let's
Now-
check it out.
ये ऐसे हो नहीं रहा मेरे से वैसे.
मेरा तो glue बह रहा है नीचे.
And the glue be like बहने दो मुझे बहने दो. So how does it feel to work?
Where?
No, I graduated, no? So now you're working and...
No, I hate it. I miss college.
How do you feel about your shells?
Really pretty, really nice. Very proud of myself.
Oh, but we can totally sell these. We'll send some story like, oh, guys, China se leke aaye the. Antique museum pieces.
Done.
I'll give you a smiley on your hand.
No, I don't like paint on my body.
This is not paint.
It is acrylic paint.
Oh, it says paint.
He tried it.
Very cool. Guys, I want to see the magic we've created.
Just show it. Mine were already facing camera.
Nani?
Are you happy with your product?
Yeah, really
Yes.
happy.
I can even eat pani puri in this. Was I fun?
Something different. Something new.
Yeah. Was I not?
No, the kit, I mean.
Ye-
New kit. Not new person.
No, was I fine to work with?
Yeah,
You're Gen Z
great.
and all, so I was like, oh my god, pressure.
No, I was just saying we'll try new kit.
Yes, we will try a new kit. Which one do you want to make next?
Whatever you choose.
It looks very nice. I think once
Yeah,
it
very
dries,
pretty.
once it dries, it's gonna look even prettier.
Okay, thank you for coming, guys. All of us.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, that looks really pretty.
Do you want to buy? It's come specially from China. It's only $2,000.
I'll give 20 rupees.